If the sperm carrying B gene fuses with the egg, so IB small I, it results in a B blood group. So this is how the blood groups are formed in the offsprings. Now let us take a problem related to a multiple choice question they may ask in NEET examination or in any kind of competitive examination. So let us take few examples of questions and how to solve those questions.
Now I am going to give you a super trick to evaluate determinant. Let's get started. See, coming to det x1 y plus z, y1 z plus x, z1 x plus y equal to what? See here, to get the answer to do this, no need of applying any row transformations or any column transformations. Just if you know numbers, easily you can give the answer. Here you see,
initially the potential of Q was this much, but because of the negative charge, the potential P because of Q has now become this much. It has decreased. It has got down by this value. Now, if I want to bring this back to the original potential, what can I do? I can add another charge plus Q, okay, to this Q here, okay. If I add this charge,
165 kilocalories, second one 195 kilocalories, third one is the 556, and fourth one is the 595 kilocalories. You can easily understand here the gap between the second and third is large. The ionization energy gap between the second and third is a large difference. So they are asking
base of radius r, where the cylinder has two surface areas. One is plane surface area, two plane surface areas, and total curved surface area. Curved surface area means curved surface area. I'm taking here. So cylinder, it has two surface areas. There is plane surface areas, two top and bottom, and curved surface area. So here I am enclosing that point P where I need to calculate electric field for this rod, right? So
functional group has no role to play. So when no functional group is present, whatever we have done, the same thing we have to do here also. That's all. Okay na? So fifth point, when ring and chain both contain the same functional group, then depending on the number of carbons of ring or chain, parent chain is decided. That means the one containing more number of carbons is only parent chain. For example, a 3-member ring, 4-member ring, both contain OH group. Obviously, more number of carbons, 4-member chain. So this is parent chain. That's all. Name 1, 2, 3, 4 parent.
Kind of circulation is called as systemic circulation, where oxygenated blood is supplied to the body tissue. The moment we go to the pulmonary circulation, we find that in case of the pulmonary circulation, the blood, deoxygenated blood from the RV, right ventricle, goes into the lungs, and from the lungs it gets oxygenated and goes into the left auricle. That is what we find in case of the double circulation, and we call it as a pulmonary circulation.
Forms separate. You can find them, they are all separated from each other. But when it forms an polymer, what do you mean by polymer? They all join together. If you observe, it says disassembled components of thin filament here. And what you find below that, it is an assembled filament. When it forms an assembled filament, it is going to form polymerized F-actin. If it is separate, it is going to form monomeric G-actin.